Hi, I'm Shannon Algeo with Unplug, and this is a meditation practice to support you in going back to sleep. I have totally been there when I'm awake in the middle of the night and I desperately want to go back to sleep, and this will help actually relax your nervous system so your body can get some deeply restful sleep. So please find a lying down position in your bed, and I invite you to take one of your pillows and place it under your knees. That can be really nice for your lower back, and to bring your arms by your side and your legs hips width distance apart. So take a moment to get really comfortable in your bed, and when you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. So you're lying on your bed, and if there's any little adjustments that you want to make to be totally comfortable, go ahead and make those adjustments now. And you may even fall asleep in the midst of this practice, and that is totally okay. So begin by noticing your breathing. Notice the quality of the inhalation coming in, and notice the quality of the exhalation leaving your body. Sometimes when we want to already be asleep, we actually get a little stressed out about the fact that we're not. So I invite you to acknowledge that might be present, and to invite yourself for everything to be okay as it is right now, and to trust that you will fall back to sleep when you are ready and in perfect time. And so we're going to move through 61 points of the body, and you're welcome to listen to my voice or not at all. And as we move through these different points, just imagine the body relaxing in that area and letting the weight of the body move deeper down into the ground and into the bed beneath you. So begin first by inhaling and feeling the bed rising up to meet your back and your spine and your body. And exhale, let the body sink its weight down into the ground. Inhale, feeling the energy beneath you rising up. And exhaling, feeling your back, your body, your legs resting into the bed, supporting you. So bring your awareness now to the center of your brain. And as we move through these different points and bring our awareness to these points, just imagine a little light there. And you could even say in your mind the word rest as we enter each individual space of the body. So beginning with the center of the brain, center of the forehead, rest. Center of the throat, rest. Right shoulder joint, rest. Right elbow joint, rest. Right wrist joint, rest. Right thumb tip, index finger tip, middle finger tip, ring finger tip, pinky finger tip. Feeling the energy. right wrist joint, right elbow joint, right shoulder joint, base of the throat, left shoulder joint, left elbow joint, left wrist joint, left thumb tip, index fingertip, middle fingertip, ring fingertip, pinky fingertip, left wrist joint, left elbow joint, left shoulder joint, base of the throat, center between the chest, right side of the chest, center between the chest, left side of the chest, center between the chest, navel point, pubic bone, rest, right hip joint, rest, right knee joint, rest, right ankle joint, big toe on the right foot, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, the little toe on the right foot, right ankle joint, right knee joint, right hip joint, pubic bone, left hip joint, left knee joint, left ankle joint, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, the little toe on the left foot, left ankle joint, left knee joint, left hip joint, pubic bone, navel center, heart center, base of the throat, center of the skull, and center between the eyes. Notice the body breathing. And with each breath, let the body go deeper and deeper into a restful state where your whole nervous system can relax and the body can sleep and you can be at ease. And you can rest. Good night.